Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Hello members, firstly to the S&P 500, and here we see a change of trend confirmed today, lower high, lower low, so that's the first term time frame. A very strong shift in net momentum, and that's the distance between the open and the close and what causes the white or black body candles. And here we have a black body candle, so net momentum is to the downside. We have seen the sellers in control for the entire day, with the market opening at the high and closing down at the low, so suggesting there's some decent negativity in this market in this very short-term time frame on the daily chart. In terms of the short-term dynamics today, so certainly is favouring perhaps some continued selling in this market. Now, having said that, we do need to watch the Tenkan-sen as an important area of support, and in recent days we have been testing below there, but the market's been unable to close below there. So a close below there, and especially if we do have a bearish close below there, it would be a significant event and could herald an important change of sentiment in that fast-term time frame, and potential for the market to test back to lower levels, and importantly that Kijun-sen, which could come into play as an area of support if we do see any decent selling in this market. Now, having said that, we do have significant areas of support down below where the market's trading. And the first area of support is this window that the market's trading in at the moment, and the bottom of the window is at very close to the Tenkan-sen indicator. The window is actually, bottom of it is around the 2433, 2434 area. So that's going to be crucial for this market. And then the next area is this previous swing high at 2418, where we've seen support coming in on 3 occasions in the recent past, so that's an important area. And then the Kijun-sen down below there should provide very solid support, being around that round number 2400. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, we still do have a bull market in all 3 timeframes. We are trading above the cloud, above the Kijun-sen, and just above the Tenkan-sen, but we could see that sentiment change if we see any further selling. And the bullishness in all 3 timeframes is supported by the Chikou span being above the corresponding price action. So this is all suggesting that even though we have some bearishness entering the market, and the most bearish candle we've probably seen in about a month, if we don't see any significant downside activity, we could see the buyers coming in at one of these areas and return back into the market to trade back to higher levels. Now, just moving to the bands, and here we see another close within the bands. Previously, we have seen the market testing within the upper half of the band, so still some continued bullishness as we're testing in there, but that strong bullish tone was no longer in the market. We had a breakout to the upside, lack of follow-through, and trading back within the bands, with the band squeezing does suggest that we may not see any dynamic trending activity to the upside. Good opportunity here for a mean reversion, and watching for support around that middle band at 2427, as we've seen in recent days.